Hey YouTube, Berserker Nick here, and as Berm Peak says, today we're going to do a little something different, but kind of the same. So, recently watched a Berm Peak video where they took a Kona Hoss and built it up to resell, and I was like, hey, you know what? I got a Kona Hoss frame sitting in my garage. Said, why don't I put it together and see what I got for spare parts and see if I can do this. The only things I had to buy new wheels, front and rear, and new tires. Pretty much other than that was parts I had laying around in the house. So I built a mullet, 27.5 on the front, 26 in the rear. I had a set of truvativ bars, a bontrager stem, some avid brakes, a Shimano deore LX 9-speed shifter. I got some suntour XCM coil forks on the front, the 130 millimeter of travel. With the forks and the front wheel on there, it really slackened the bike out. It gives it a really good feel. So does a shorter stem with a little bit tighter steering. A lot of these parts were parts left over from other builds. I just wanted to see what I could do. So we got a nice truvativ crank set on there, 32-2 sprocket. Sealed external bottom bracket, some bontrager pedals on there. Ended up actually being able to use a couple of the box parts that I had. I was able to reuse the box 9-speed chain, and I was able to reuse the box 11 to 50 tooth 9-speed cassette. Made sure I paired that with a link, and then my old deore XT 9-speed derailleur. That derailleur is really tight, so I don't really get much chain slap out of it. Old WTB saddle. I'm going to try to see if I can find a cheap dropper to put into here. It's going to stay mechanical brakes. This is going to be a loaner bike. If someone wants to borrow it, they can borrow it. And then if they want to buy it, then I'll sell it. It took me a few days to build it up and get a few parts and stuff, but I think it did pretty good for pretty much a box of leftovers. So let me know what you guys think of the bike, and have an awesome weekend.